Onwere video Onye Obodo mere yesterday gbasara ndị Ebonyi State content creators. We na-akọ na ndị Ebonyi State content creators ada like support onwefa. That na one-on-one I nominate as one of the best content creators in Nigeria. Na onwere ofu onye n'ime ndị Ebonyi State content creators nwere ike post that nomination ka people vote ya. We na drag Ebonyi State content creators, most especially Eza TV, Ebonyi Sun, Nwanya Eza Foundation, Nwanya Abakaliki and co. Many people when akat Onye Obodo na castigate Onye Obodo na akuya imago just like iye mekwal na mbo comment about ndị Ebonyi State na-ebiela afia mbuyali. O nwere event ọkụnụ water biko ibulu Ebonyi State na onu mutata tonti na ka ige ya nnekwu ọfụma ọkwa ifulu Ebonyi State fa na Anambra State ewotezi na ọbụna onye ọbụla si na Ebonyi Anambra State bịala ịgwa gị okwu ngwa Ebonyi Ebonyi State ị na-afụta as na the person na-enye gị insult maọbụ nke nwa Ebonyi Anambra ọbụna mmadụ sizi Ebonyi bịala correct yi na-eme ị na-afụta as na insult ọkwa na ụmụnne ka ịbụ ọbụna Ibonyi Ebonyi State na-asị na gị na Anambra bụrụ nwanne bịa ka ịkọwalụ m ebe Ebonyi State nọ before 1996 ime ike kọwalụ m ebe Ebonyi State nọ before 1996 then mmalụzi anyị ma yi na-ekwu isi ịda na ịmarọ your history na ịdịrọ informed or na ijos na like violence. First of all, onwere human being nọ n'ụwa ga-eme improve without correction. Ọ ya ka anyị ji webụlụ mmadụ anyị bụrụ ọkachamalụ. Onwere human being nọ n'ụwa kasị malụ everything sọnsọ Chineke bịa kasị wee malụ everything. So far na ịbụ human being ọ ga na-enwe nlebi ga na-enwe error. And all your fellow human being ka ọ bụkwa correct that your error. Be it anybody. No matter the person you see. So how does that afụ any correction na ga-esi from any state na abroad your state we na appear as a call for ịnụ or for you to improve. For you to improve aya ka o mean. Aya ka je eme ifu ndị na-enwe business na mmadụ enwe business na enwe option for review. Where people put their comment say about that particular product. Most of the times the company management ga at that place go through people's comment, one or two things there improve their product. So anybody up there put an correct go Ebonyi Ebonyi State na things in na wrong. It is time for you to sit down, analyze the person ekowa malu ebi nwelu error there, then you correct yourself. Abịa ihe Onye Obodo kwuru gbasara Ebonyi State content creators. Esobukum na people na like video Onye Obodo maybe for gbasara afia mbuyali. Ọ bụrụ na ma like the message, ma like monosu we position other message. The position of the message in a politeful manner. And then Onye Obodo ya dịka nature Onye Obodo. And it is not dịka Onye Obodo amụrụ ka si ekwu okwu politely. But ọ bụrụ ya ka ga-ejizi eme ịrapụzi the message on a pass then attack based on kosi we kwuo dị okwu. Abịa ndị gbasara Ebonyi State content creators ihe a bụ wake up call ka ọ bụ. Even on a oge niile Ebonyi State na trend on a wrong note. Ọ na trend for a wrong reason all the time. Ọ pụtara na nwere ndị Ebonyi na-eme ezigbo ife ma ọ pụtara na ezigbo ife adịghị na Ebonyi State. But na most of these content creators bụ ndị Ebonyi State bụ ndị kwesịrị na-promote the good things na happen na their own state. Apụta oge dị nefa arapịa. Ihe fa ga na-achọ bụ somebody na-akọ Ebonyi State ọnụ ka fa bido drag bụ onye ya bụ ife ga na-achọ. Watch a phone in terms of can you go to musician Simon and Igbo wee nye go example. Abịa na musician Simon and Igbo today na ejina na Enugu State na mmadụ ka Zig Zoro na represent Enugu na music ya steady. Ị gaa na Abia nwekwa somebody one or two people tigolo na represent ndị Abia State. Bịa na Anambra State mmadụ ka Flavor na represent Anambra on a steady. Gaa n'Imo State the same thing. Mana ịbịa na Ebonyi State mmadụ ka Tekno Patoranking fasibu ndị amagola ama. I never for one day no fuck a mention Ebonyi State na their music or represent ebe afasi. Cause ndị na-eme comedy. Most of these people na make comedy and uche today na so many of them bụ ndị Ebonyi. Mana they are not representing. So how do you want people to know that good things are coming out from that place? Easy. MC Water melu invent a host about the Guinness World Record. As some people comment about this Onye Obodo that time. Because I've been check I'm how many people who there but still influencers I gave post to that thing before they invent a video self. None of them posted it. Until if I go talk with I'll post to the thing we call about all Igbo content creators out. Or before that time, some of these bloggers, my content creator portals, we post about that event. Mazi Okeke host the show in Ebonyi State few weeks ago. They check na the whole of this page in there Ebonyi State content creators are from one single person post to the thing. When they check until the back alone over before they post some of those things. Or some of you bloggers, content creators in the Ebonyi State, they sometimes or they can Ebonyi State they will good thing happen in that state because you people rap you know see they promote state you know. Can people now for the good side of Ebonyi. When I rap here or bring them all the time but na about one hate rogi. Open a matter they criticize you can never improve in this life. Oh yeah, I'm living in Nigeria today, from the south is I'm a bundibo today, now I'm Kasidika and Kasidi advanced. Because no only African 1 year a Jeff was or rapid correct 1 year. Okay, you the correction. Oh yeah, I'm logical Snabber and Ibo to over Nigeria to now and bundibo Kasidi advanced. Because I don't like it up one night other buena own I rapid correct on ya. So I didn't have fear that somebody that correct ya, you will be more feeling that the person I insult. Open them and that like you take correction, then don't allow people. It means not allow people be not correct. Go ahead of them and do that thing they are supposed to do at the right time to avoid people correcting. Onye Obodo melu kulube ezokuko. Open as one on one Ebonyi Anambra by now. I'm a win this nominee self because everybody can post. So far, someone on social media can post everywhere to promote their own. So that is the message you want to pass. Can you do Ebonyi State video promote to be ourselves? HS not in Bemari be akwa work promote if you promote to Onye Abulu one negi help him. Other people go get in Ebonyi State and trend on the wrong side. At least you want to Ebonyi State and go about Ebonyi State bloggers post to go or trend to go. Kamalukwa yes now something good is coming out from the Nazareth. You know if you are the importance of promoting good things happening in your state. Which you know some of you na affairs not madiko uko. Bro madiko uko. Almost some people gone or somewhere now actually get relocated to. But they will not be remembering your state because the Fejirika and Okebe good things not from that state. Promoting your state will make people sometimes may invest in your state. Because na far from the state will power na social media. Because some of businesses today not succeed today based on social media. All social media depends on some business not succeed today. So when people in the phone the state the very very low in terms of promotion on social media. Some of these people will not like to go and invest there. Because fucking shaky, what is the social media power of people from that state? So here Onye Obodo Kulaboro insult is not a room for dragging. Here be a wake up call. The more I help one legi Onye Ebonyi, the more I eradicate people, your people from poverty. And that is the more the poverty rate in your state can reduce. One person in Ebonyi State the more from help today, remove her from poverty. That one person reduce go the number of Ebonyi State they poor. So it's just not government no. So many people from other states today they use their platform today. I call for fundraising this year help what the person business. Mana, I have never for one day for Ebonyi State influencer megoludikiya. Afunu be Ebonyi State influencer patagoli is do put Ebonyi State ibia. CC raise a fund ke do a business. Oh, Udikiya can indicate name na social media. Udikiya couldn't proceed name. Udikiya now help you use your platform when I help your people. At least can reduce the number of people they put on that state. Other people get in Anakono, Anambra, Sikwa Ebonyi, Sikwa Anambra. Those kind of things will not help anything. It will not do anything good to us. Because I'm a good mama now so many Ebonyi State people today have been helped a lot by India Anambra. The same thing, so many India Anambra today have also been helped a lot by India Ebonyi. So if you check see if you one can chap, no any difference. So kada people name menke mother correct yagi will be because no Ebonyi State. because you check if some of the things the Onye Obodo na-ekwu bụ eziokwu ka ọ bụ wụrụ asị dị na ya. So it is time, it's a wake-up call for Ngoma Ebonyi State influencers to work on yourself. Help your brothers. It's going to encourage others to do. Only so many people today which Ebonyi State which are upcoming content creators today. Man, but they are feeling discouraged because they feel like now the ones who they go succeed already is not even ready to even support them. But finally, I found not support to now. Then other people will start working hard. Other content creators will start popping out from Ebonyi State because they believe that their brother who are already at the top is ready to support them as well.